How to enable guest mode in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable guest mode in Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop. This feature is perfect for anonymous surfing, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the official website. Now, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You will see your profile icon. Click on it to open the user profile menu. In the menu, you will see an option that says guest. Click on that and a new window will open in a guest mode. And there you have it. You are now in the guest mode. This means you can browse the internet without saving any history or cookies. Perfect for when you want to keep your browsing history private. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Let us know in the comment if you have any questions or if there's a topic you would like us to cover next. See you in the next video.